Hi, my name is Ethan, and I am doing a fire truck tutorial. It is gonna teach you how to do a fire truck. And this is my brother. And my name is Benji. He is going to be my student of doing the fire truck. Now let's fight. So I'm gonna tell you what supplies we're using. We are gonna use marker, and we are going to use red and blue and brown color pencils. And vertical paper. Okay, so we are first going to open our markers. We are going to make a line, kind of bottomish, but more in the middle. We're going to make a line up, and then we are going to make it go a straight line over. Then we are going to make it go up again, and then we are going to make it go over again. Now we're going to make it go down, and we're going to turn it the other way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this part, and bring it upwards, and then we'll draw another line, and then then I'm going to do this, draw it back, and then it will connect. Now we're going to turn it back vertical, and then we're going to make this line a little longer. And then we're going to make a small line right on the bottom of that line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a loop for the tires to go inside. Then what we're going to do is make a longer line, almost to the end, but not. You make it have a hoop too. And then you're going to do a little line after you do that hoop. And then you're going to connect them. Now, we're going to draw the tires. Then we'll draw the back one. Then we're going to turn it the other way again, and at the top of it, we're going to make a little line that goes up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a door. And then we're going to make a little circle. We just dot it in there. Dot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take it the other way again. And then we're going to make a little line next to that long line that we did a few minutes ago. And then we keep on going. One. And then we're going to use this brown like my brother's already using. And now we're going to use the red color and fill in the, so we're going to turn it this way again. Oops. We're going to turn it this way again, or not. And I'm just going to make a line, and I'm just going to fill in this part, like this. And then you're going to make a line of that red color down. And then you just draw in that half. Then you just draw in the front. And you just go around like that. Then you're going to turn it the other way once you're done with that. And you don't have to follow us. You can draw it however you want. And after you get halfway through that, you're going to go to the other side and try to fill in that side more. Just make a little line to that, to like another end, and you don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do it, filling in one more line. And then we're just gonna cover the whole thing in. Now, when you're done with that color, you're just going to use that blue and color in that doorway. There you have it. Thanks for watching our video. We hope that you have fun drawing it at home. We'll see you next time.